As if we needed any more news about XRP separating itself from the rest of the cryptocurrencies, right? We already confirmed that XRP right now, you can take it to the bank to be used, right, as collateral, to use it for leverage, to gain a loan for some kind of mortgage, right, or real estate. Hear me out. We just confirmed the XRP ledger just upgraded to 2.5.0, okay, which was major, guys. Please go watch my last video. I'm not going to explain it. But here, we now have the XRP ledger expanding cross-chain power via Ripple wormhole deal. Let's get to it. All right, guys, through this new connection, the developers building on the XRP ledger will gain the ability to transfer not just XRP, but also IOUs and other token types like multi-purpose tokens, which I explained to you all. This is going to be major, guys. We want interoperability. We want multiple purposes for these tokens, okay? Across blockchain ecosystems. Additionally, smart contracts on external blockchains can now be triggered, using data from XRPL, which unlocks powerful cross-chain functionality for decentralized applications. That's the interoperability. What we need is no longer a luxury as to whether we can interoperate. It is now, right, a necessity. This move is pivotal in cementing XRPL's reputation as a robust infrastructure for decentralized finance, the tokenization of real-world assets, and institutional scale deployments, guys. By expanding its capacity to communicate across chains, interoperability, right? Ripple is positioning XRPL as a credible alternative to what? Ethereum and Solana, especially for entities focused on what? Enterprise grade tokenization and complex financial process automation. Let's continue. This function is increasingly vital as businesses adopt tokenized models, right, that require high-performance blockchains in conjunction with flexibility and compliance-ready environments. That's big. A niche that XRP Ledger is well placed to serve, right? Ripple continues to make strategic moves like this to fulfill its vision of a seamlessly interconnected blockchain the world can build upon. By tapping into Wormhole's established infrastructure, Ripple equips XRPL with essential tools needed to thrive in today's multi-chain interoperating, right, economy. This latest partnership is not merely about technical enhancements, guys. It reflects a broader industry trend where interoperability is what is becoming a necessity. That's what I've been trying to explain to you. Okay, the way that XRPL is interoperating with these chains is now becoming a necessity, not just a feature. As financial institutions, developers, and organizations seek blockchain networks that can adapt to diverse applications, cross-chain operability will become a key criteria, and the XRP ledger is carving out its place in that future. Guys, are you paying attention? There's a common denominator. There's a common chain that they all want to interoperate with, okay? And it's called the XRP ledger, guys. Lock in, man. Let's continue. Let's stay on top of this, all right?